Foundation can make you look cakey and crusty or natural and flawless. Let me show you the do's and don'ts. Applying directly to your face can easily make you look cakey and clog your pores. Look, first things first, use a dense brush with soft bristles or your fingers. Both are great. Take the foundation on the back of your hand or a mixing plate. Blend it into your hand until it is evenly distributed on the brush and you don't have too much on your face, which can get cakey like this side. If you have a mixing plate, you're probably a makeup artist and you already know what to do. But blend it out until you can't blend it anymore. You're ready to put on your face, so you sweep it over. No, don't do this. Instead of sweeping, pat and gently buff in to get it evenly all over your face. Don't stop at the neck. Using whatever you have left over on the brush, blend into the neck over with a beauty sponge so it's soft and gradually blends into the skin. Apply your foundation all the way up to your eye and then a concealer. So cakey, so creasy. It's a mess. Instead, avoid the under eye area. Save that for concealer. The skin is really thin around this area. It doesn't hold a lot of product well.